Alright, I'm over here at the Alabama State Route 134 railroad crossing, I think just outside of the town of Headland, Alabama. We got an update here first off though. There's one of the old SCL property stickers. But as you can see, the front pair of lights here now has a pair of GE dotted LEDs on the eastbound signal here. There's a close-up of one of them. And real fast, here's the Seaboard Coastline property sticker on this signal. Sorry, apologies, that's not the best. The rear lights are still general signals LEDs. The other signal is, in fact, they've also, I think, fixed those lights, of course. The other signal is still the same. No major changes here, it looks like, so. Other than these two new LEDs in the front pair of this one signal. So yeah, I decided, a quick video of the update here at Alabama State Route 134 near Headland, Alabama. Over and out.